Have you built a web app? Wondered how to put it online for free? I'll show you how to deploy on render.com, from creating your account to getting live. In just a few minutes, let's jump right in.
Before we start, let me explain something quickly. When you build a web app, it lives on your computer only, so no one else can see it. To make it public, we need three things. First, your code. Second, a hosting service. Third, a URL. In this tutorial, your code is going to be stored on GitHub, and the hosting service, it will be render. It can be something else. And a URL is the link that people will use and interact with your application. So think of it like this. Your code is your product. GitHub is your storage. Render is your shop, and URL is your shop address. First, we need to upload our project to GitHub. If you already did this, you can skip this step. If not, open your terminal inside your project folder. And here is an important tip, beginner's mistake. You need to run your app locally before deploying. If it does not work on your machine, it will not work on render. npm install. And here I will check this link. And I will paste the URL in the browser. And here you can see my application is working. It's named Strictly. It's about tracking habits. Here we can add anything. Now, if I share this link with others, they will not see the code. They can't interact with this web application because they don't have the code in their machine. And that's why we need to deploy our project online so people can see it and interact with it. My app is working. I will go back to terminal and I will terminate the project, Ctrl+C, yes. And here I will add it to GitHub. First of all, you need to install GitHub if you don't have it on your computer, because this command will not work if you didn't install GitHub. Get init, then get add dot. This means it will add all the changes and all the code to GitHub. Here get commit. First commit. And then I need to open my GitHub. To create a new repository on GitHub, you need to go to github.com and open your account. Then click in New. I will call it Habit Tracker. Here I need to make it public. Okay, create repository. You can see here instructions, how to connect your project. We already did this and this. So here, let's follow other instruction. If it's your first time connecting your project to your GitHub, they will ask you for login. Okay, we're done. We can check our project here, refresh. You can see our project now is stored on GitHub. Now go to Render website and create an account. You can sign up using GitHub. This is the easiest way. So once you are inside, you can see the dashboard. I will sign in and come back. Okay, once you are inside the dashboard, click New and then web service, because I'm trying to deploy a web service here. It can be something else. Now render will show your GitHub repositories by default. Select your project. Now we configure the deployment. Here are the important fields. Name, you can choose any name for your app. And here, keep default the region unless you need specific location. Now the important part is build command and start command. So if your application is Node.js like mine, I'm trying to deploy now, I will set npm install, then here npm start. If you are using something else like Vite or React front end, so build command will be something else, and the start command will be something else. So it's depend on your setup. I will click free. And here, for this application, I don't need any environment variables. Here I will click deploy service. Now render will start deploying your app. This will take a few minutes. You will see here some logs, so don't worry, this is normal. Once deployment is done, you will see here live. Okay, now you can copy this link and try it. My app is live. I can share this link with others and they can see and interact with my web application. So let's understand what just happened. First, you tested your project locally, then you pushed your code on GitHub, then render pulls your code and gives you a live link. So here GitHub is your storage, render is your hosting service, and browser is where users view your app. So that's the basic deployment workflow in web development. Okay, here is some important tip. A free plan sleeps after an activity, so first request may be slow. And here, every time you push new code to GitHub, like edit your project and push the changes, render redeploys automatically.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you never miss a tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!